What's up YouTube? Nate back with another video. For those of you that are new to the channel, I own a custom integration company, meaning I help people implement technology into their homes and businesses. We handle everything from home automation to security, networking, anything that kind of falls into that technology category that is based on the internet in your home or business. We're the people to call. So we had a repeat client give us a call that was looking for integrating outdoor audio into their existing Sonos system that they have throughout their entire interior of their house. They had a covered porch that is a wraparound that they were looking for some outdoor speakers in, as well as the back patio facing the pool area. The house was previously wired for speakers externally on the back. So fortunately, we were able to use that existing wiring, couple it and push it further down into the basement so that we could store the amps in the rack. The other side was not wired, so we ended up exiting the basement and then fishing up the wall to pull the wires to the spaces in the covered porch so that they could have great audio throughout. We ended up using the Sonance Mag series speakers. We love these for outdoor. They look great, they sound great. They come in black or white, which is really convenient for us when we're trying to match the customer's aesthetic on the outside of the house. Like I said, this client was a repeat customer, so the rack that you see in the basement is one that we previously installed. There is a video on our channel about that installation. He's running a full Ubiquity network in the home with, I want to say there's 3 or 4 access points and then a suite of Protect cameras. We powered both amps with Sonance speakers, 1 per zone, so that they act as independent zones outside for him. We also, while installing this speaker, where we are in New England, we get all sorts of different wildlife, but this was a new one for us. We actually had a black bear come right out of the woods about 15 feet from where Pat was putting up one of the speakers. He called me from up top there while I was down in the basement, and I had to run up and come see. The black bear hung out for a good 10-15 minutes in the yard there, and then ended up just wandering off. It was an awesome sight to catch. So we have a bunch of footage from the installation. I'll go ahead and play that. As always, if you're interested in having us come on site for you, or if you're looking for someone to consult on your project for your own home, our contact information is in the description below. And then, as always, any tools or any products that you see us using, I will always put a link in the description so that you can find them easily if you're looking to implement them yourselves. If you have questions about how we did it, how we installed it, how we programmed the individual speakers into the Sonos app, drop it in the comments. There's been a lot of questions with the new Sonos app that has come out recently, a lot of pain points with it. We deal with it every day and we're pretty good at navigating them. So if you're having issues with Sonos currently, give us a call or send us a message. We're happy to help with what you have going on. I hope you guys enjoy the video and we'll catch you next week.